This clear mountain stream is home to one of the most unique birds. On first glance, you're not likely to be impressed by this small, drab, gray bird. But spend a few moments watching, and you will be rewarded. Dippers are one of the most boring-looking birds with some of the most intriguing habits. They are only found in clear, highly oxygenated, cold, clean, high mountain streams. They peek underwater and then dive in to hunt. What makes them unique is their ability to walk on the bottom of fast-moving streams where they hunt for their prey, which includes mayflies, caddisflies, stoneflies, and if they're really lucky, baby fish. In the spring, dippers begin to nest, usually near mountain streams or behind a waterfall. Both parents help to build the nest, which is made mostly of mosses. It takes them over a week to build the nest, working 14 hours a day. Once the nest is finished, the female lays her eggs. Once the chicks hatch, the parents again work from dawn till dusk. They spend most of their time collecting insects, but also carrying the chicks' waste away from the nest. Dippers aren't as flashy as an Anna's hummingbird, nor are they as fast as a reddish egret. But they are unique because of their ability to walk on stream bottoms as they hunt.